Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video, we will go over how to add dates to D2L Dropboxes and quizzes. While you can add dates if you add D2L Dropboxes and quizzes to the content area, you can also very easily add them directly to the activity itself. Adding dates to Dropboxes and quizzes is very similar, so we will just focus on Dropboxes for right now. Go to the Dropbox tab in the course nav bar, and then click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the Dropbox that you want to add a date to. In the menu that appears, click on Edit Folder. From there, to add a due date, click on where it says Due Date. If you need to change the time, click on the time to change it. I'll leave it on 11:59 p.m. for right now though. To add a start and end date, click on Availability, Dates, and Conditions. To add a start date, click on the Date menu underneath Start Date. To add an end date, click on the End Date. To remove start dates, end dates, or due date, simply click on the date and then click on Clear. Once you are done making your edits to the dates, click on Save. Keep in mind that start dates and end dates are restrictive. Students will only be able to access the Dropbox or the quiz, should you add it to a quiz, between the start date and the end date. The due date is just for notification purposes. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.